Here's your water access and city water fresh tank fill ups. So right here on the driver's side all the way to the end, we're gonna have this little door cabinet here. Just open it up and you're gonna see two inlets. Now we're gonna focus the one on the left that says fresh water inlet. This is where your good water would go. Now you just put a regular garden hose right in here, tighten it up, and this little blue lever is gonna make the difference between the city and fresh water tank. Now, if you want to have unlimited water, just leave the blue lever to the city and you can enjoy your unlimited access. Only just remember, your dirty tank is not unlimited. Now, up here you will have fill. Fill is for your fresh water tank, so you just switch the blue lever to fill. Wait until it's full. Once your tank is full, it will start dripping. And the other side of the van by the sliding door, or you can check it on your Garmin pad.